Yeah,
This,
check that
this
out.
is the outside filter.
Okay.
So that's the outside.
And there's dirt in there. Look
yeah.
at the way that traps the dirt and the dust, pollens,
Oh.
allergens.
Refrigerator's okay.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, and then,
Wow.
then there's the inside of it.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can see that the filter is working.
Yeah, and there's a lot of layers to it too to catch the particles.
And then there's 4 of these.
Yeah, the air guard.
And this is filtering the air even more.
Okay, yeah, it's a finer fabric, like an auto air filter.
And
Look at that. That's still trapping grime in there.
sure is.
I mean, that
well,
stuff is like black.
You know, you're in the city.
Micro
think about it.
dust. Yeah.
So, and the air is going in here, so that's dirt.
Yeah.
And then you can see that this side's cleaner.
Oh, yeah. So that's the last step. That's the last phase of the filtration system in a large building. Oh, yeah, look at that by comparison. That's a new filter.
It's brand new.
Wow. Look at the difference between what that traps. How long does that take to get?
Yeah. I mean, normal maintenance
Cool.
on these things, I believe, is every 3 months.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
But these ones, yeah, they're dirty.